A really cool opportunity for the students at DC's Cook Elementary. They got a chance yesterday to speak with astronauts on board the International Space Station.
Hi, my name is Darmit, and I am in third grade. My question is, how was daily life different? For example, going to the bathroom, cooking, clothing, sleeping.
When we sleep in space, we're actually sleeping in a sleeping bag, and my sleeping bag is stuck to the wall, so I kind of sleep like this. We have somebody who's sleeping up on the ceiling and somebody who's on the floor, and then Mark is across from me on the other side. So it is kind of weird.
They asked the question we all want to ask, right? What's life like up there?